Hello friends, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm dropping in to share with you a new layout I created using the Begin kit from Ali Edwards. This is the second story that I created using this kit. I began by printing out my photo at 8 by 10 inches and then I trimmed it down to 7 by 8 1/4. It is not going in a page protector, it's going directly into my album as is. And then there's also going to be another page that I create to go along with it, but it is smaller than that. It is going to be 3.5 by 8 1/4. So it's essentially like a half page. So to start, on top of the photo, I'm adding this Begin die cut from the Begin kit. I used liquid glue to attach it to the photo, but I wanted to be sure that I got it as straight as possible. So I pulled out my T-square ruler, and I'm just trying to figure out the best placement. I'm trying to get as centered as I can on the photo, while still leaving enough room on the left-hand margin to punch holes when it's time to put it into my album. Below that, I'm going to add one of the chipboard circles, also from the kit. This says the start of something new. I think that's what it says, something along those lines anyways. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly what the phrase says. You'll see it at the end of the video in the close-ups. I also used my liquid glue to attach that as well, and that page is done. Now I'm moving on to the half page. I trimmed some of the paper that was included in the kit in half, and then I used some blue cardstock, which is pretty close to the shade of blue in the pattern paper, printed my journaling on that, and then attached it to the back side of that pattern paper. On this side, I'm going to add a bunch of these circle patches that are also included in the kit. They each have different phrases on them. They're all different colors, which I love, and they all worked really well to tell the story that I'm sharing today. So the story that I'm sharing today is basically explaining what my one little word is for 2022. I say that really loosely because I don't really follow one little word very closely. I come up with a word for the year and generally forget about it a couple of months after the year starts. This year's a little bit different. I am going to try and adhere to my word a little more closely. My plan is to beef up my self-care. If you joined me here on my channel at the beginning of the year, I shared a one-on-one video. I'll link that in the description box down below in case you want to check it out. And I just outlined what my plans were for 2022 in terms of my scrappy life and my personal life. And of course, self-care was included in that. So that's essentially what this story is about. And basically, the main thing that I'm focusing on in terms of self-care right now is just getting myself back to walking regularly. It was my thing up until COVID hit, and then with lockdown, I fell out of the habit, and now I'm trying to make it habit again. So all the phrases on these patches are positive, they're uplifting, and they work really well as a gentle reminder and encouragement to keep going. So because there's all kinds of different colors in today's layout, there's pink, there's blue, there's black, there's gray. And then on the other page, there is yellow. I do decide to go to the little phrase stickers that are also included in the kit and pull out a phrase sticker that eventually is going to be slapped right in the middle of the Just Do It patch. It kind of covers up the phrase, but I'm okay with that. And then the phrase or sticker that I attach over top of that says something along the lines of currently beginning Once that's done, this page is complete. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love the colors. I love how well it paired with the photo. This is a photo that I have scrapbooked before, but as soon as I sat down to design this layout, I knew right away that I needed to use this picture again. So I did. The close-ups are coming up. Feel free to stick around for those. And if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and a like. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning to my channel, I'm so glad that you're here. And if you are returning to my channel but you haven't subscribed, maybe consider doing so if you enjoy Cricut projects, Ali Edwards, and hybrid scrapbooking. I'll be back again soon, friends. I hope you have a fantastic Wednesday, and I will be back again soon. Bye.